So let's unbox a Ryzen 5 3600 processor and install it into a mainboard. This mainboard had a 5600G processor, which is kind of like this, almost the same thing, but with graphics. And that was defective. It arrived dead. So we didn't break it. I mean, the user didn't break it. Probably. It's just from the factory. And yeah, maybe it will be returned for warranty, but it's more complicated with processors. And yeah, so we're just going to install this to make the computer work again and resolve the warranty maybe later. This is such a nice processor. I have a 1600 and that is also very good. This is like 40% faster. Same number of cores and threads, but yeah, one generation newer. Because I have the AF, which is basically a 2000 series, and this is 3000. So yeah, kind of nice. Let's install it. All the pins are okay, I think. Man, some things here, I don't know if you can see it. There's a pin that looks a bit different here. I don't know what the hell that is. It's not perfect. Yeah, well, just put it in, hope for the best. That's a bit weird. I spotted it right away, just as I got it out of the box. That's strange. I'm not used to such processors not having perfect pins right out of the box. That's a no-no. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what that is. So, I think it sits well. I'll do some tests. Hopefully it will run. The other one kept blue screening, working for half an hour, 2 hours, and blue screen. And you couldn't do anything. BIOS update, nothing worked. So yeah, hopefully this works. And yeah, this is the end of this chapter with this computer that never worked right.